The Rockport VAL Certified Professional program validates skill set in the market around Rockport VAL. So not only is it an educational program where we teach the basics around commercial real estate, including terminology, calculations, formulas, as well as how to create a cash flow and valuation. The certification exam is a way to test those skills and make sure that the user is proficient around the software and the application. Anyone can participate. So not only do we target industry professionals, we also target students in universities that are going to become marketable in the commercial real estate industry, that want to add validation to their skill set when they're creating their resumes and become marketable in the industry and applying for commercial real estate professional careers. We have a team of experts, not only experts in commercial real estate, but also experts in the software industry as well. So we have a team that will not only train all of the students to become proficient in VAL, but ensure that they are successful in passing the exam and hold their hand throughout the entire process. Someone needs to be certified in VAL to elevate their marketability in the market, especially for those that are changing careers or starting a career in commercial real estate. We have several key banks and key commercial real estate clients that are looking for VAL experts to hire on and add to their teams. So this is just a great way to market the skill set of those professionals and be able to apply and be successful in obtaining a career in the market. Depending on the skill set of the student, we can start from the basics where we teach the terminology and the calculations. Typically, it's about 3 hours in length, but we can, train as many times as we need to in order for the user to be proficient in VAL and be successful in passing the exam. Right now, the program is complimentary. So not only do we provide the training for free, but the exam is also free. And just to give you an idea of what the exam entails, it's about 90 minutes in length. It's a multiple choice question exam where we test all of your skill sets around VAL, including commercial real estate terminology, as well as feature and functionality within the software and calculations that are industry standard. The industry is looking to us to validate the proficiency around VAL. So there is a 90% or above requirement to pass the exam and become a certified professional. It is a challenging exam. We do help you along the way. Upon completion of the exam, you will receive a certificate from our CEO, Rick Trapp, as well as a LinkedIn badge to validate those skill sets in your profile. It's super easy to enroll. All you need to do is email our team at support@rockportval.com. We'll have one of our experts get in touch and we'll schedule the training as well as schedule the exam.